Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Dr. Vandana Bansal from Arpit Test Tube Baby Center, Prayagraj. So, if you have been advised IVF, many a time you are advised to take the egg from donor. So, we call it egg donation, ICSI. So, what do we do? Why we need? What are the conditions in which you will be needing the egg from outside? So, here are some conditions. Number one is the advanced maternal age. As you know, as the age increases, the ovarian reserve goes down. So, if the doctor thinks that you do not have enough ovarian reserve to give enough eggs for the IVF, she may advise you the egg donation. Especially if you are above 38, 39 or 40 years of age. So, the doctor will check your ovarian reserve, and if it is very low, then they can advise you egg donation. The second is the premature ovarian failure. Some women ovaries fail before age. That means we call it premature ovarian failure when the ovaries are not working before the age of 40 years. So we do certain tests, and once we diagnose it as a premature ovarian failure, then and you want to go for IVF, you have to take the egg from outside. Third condition is poor egg quality. So you are having eggs and we go for IVF and we find that your eggs are of very bad quality. And so there is a failure of fertilization. And if you form embryos, the embryo are with bad quality. So in such case, we advise egg donation. The fourth is genetic disorders. The women have some genetic disorder which she doesn't want to pass to her baby. In such conditions, the VGTA is done and the egg is taken from the donor from the outside. The next is the failed IVF cycle. So if you are going with your eggs, 3 to 4 attempts have already failed. We do not know what is the cause. So in such situations, we advise you to go for egg donation. And if because of any conditions ovaries are absent, maybe congenitally absent, or maybe they have been removed because of some disease or some tumor or whatever, the ovaries are not present or very strict. So in all these conditions, you will be needing egg donation. That means the egg has to be taken from outside. But these days, because of the legal issue, the egg donation has to be done through the ART bank, and there are certain rules and regulations that has to be fulfilled before you can go for egg donation. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel and write down your comments in the comment box.